Sometimes you just have to take a minute and feed the birds. And these guys are my favorite. Crows. I absolutely love when they come around.
He put his foot on it.
Yeah.
Nobody come and snatch it up. He ain't no dummy. He said, yeah, you come and try to get some of this.
Oh, he's so pretty. Look at you.
See, that brought me a crop. For sure.
Oh, they're so pretty. You see, you're gonna eat all that? Can I get me a bite? Just a nibble? You're gonna come grab it. Check it out.
He sidestep and look at him. He said, I got me some this time. Here comes the other one.
Yeah, uh-oh.
Nope, he's gonna go. He said, no, I worked hard to get this. You know how many sidestepping I had to do to get it? Y'all better leave me alone. Let me eat my quacker. No. I got this fair. Y'all left.
Yeah.
Your loss, my gain.
Aww. Like this one's like, hey, could you toss me out a cracker? You want a cracker? You want a cracker? You want a cracker? Do you want it? Do you want it? There. Get it. Good job. Get it. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Come on, pretty boy. Oh, you're so pretty. Go on, get the cracker. Go on, baby. Get your cracker. You're gonna get it? You're gonna get it? It's right there. I'm not gonna hurt you. Get the cracker. Go on, baby, get it. Good job. Go on. Go on. I'm not gonna hurt you. Go on, baby. There you go.